Good morning, Brad. This is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. I wanted to shoot this quick video for you, let you know about 3 quick things that you can do today that'll help bring in more customers to you and your business. Usually when I do this, the people that I end up partnering with are often sitting on the other side asking themselves, what's in it for me and why am I doing this? But I found out by giving local business owners this free attack plan of things that they can actually do, it's resulted in them throwing their hands up and saying, you know what, Tyler, I like you, or why don't you go ahead and do this for me? If by the end of this you like what you've seen and you can see that I have some tricks up my sleeves to help you get you ranked across Google, then please feel free to give me a call. Or if you want to just take this information and implement it into the digital marketing strategy that you're using now, then please feel free to do so. Because I found out by talking to local business owners that they're often way too busy running their business and to find out how the internet can benefit them and bring them more business. So first off, I wanted to talk to you about content. And so in order to be optimized by Google, you guys need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. And during a word count, you guys only have 348. So going here to your number one competition, Home Rebuilders, they have 600 words on their front page. So not too far off from them, but still a good bit of ways from that 1,500 mark that you need in order to be optimized by Google. And so next, wanted to talk to you about citations and the map pack. And so the map pack is essentially made up of NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so what helps you get ranked in the map pack is citations. And so I like to use a tool here called Whitespark. And doing a quick search on Home Remodeling Atlanta, it's brought me up the top businesses. So we see that your number one competition has 57 citations. And seeing that you guys are not on this top 11 list, that means you have less than 6 actually. So you want to be beating out your competition by at least 100 to 200 citations. And what I like about Whitespark is that you can actually just click View Sources here, and it'll list out all of the sources that Home Rebuilders is using. And you can go into each one of those websites, put your NAP in, your name of your business, the address, and the phone number, and basically steal those citations for yourself. And then, like I said, that'll bring you up to that 100 to 200 more than your competition to be beating them out. So last but definitely not least, wanted to talk about backlinks, aka link juice. And so how that works, simply put, is site A is pointing to site B. So therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving more authority to site B in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more tricky than that, because you need to have relevant sites pointing back to you and your business. So you need to have sites that are related to home remodeling rather than, like a Pizza Hut referring back to you because you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living. So we see the number one organic listing here, and you guys are sitting at number 6. So definitely want to be at number 1 because this Home Remodeling Atlanta search is bringing in 140 searches per month. So a lot of searches that you guys are missing out on because you're not at number 1. So with backlinks, I like to use a tool called Ahrefs. And it shows us how many backlinks or how much link juice that you guys have right now. So you guys have a lot of link juice, 817 backlinks. And your number one competition has only 455. So killing it in backlinks. So that's definitely something that will get you ranked higher. So keep that up, whatever you're doing now to get those backlinks. So in closing, the only thing that I think that you guys should focus on is content. That 1,500 words on your front page, and then citations, getting more relevant sites pointing back to your website. So if you like what you've heard, you can implement these things into your digital marketing strategy, like I said earlier. Or if you want to take the most effective way and save yourself some time, then please reach out to me. My number is 678-661-5695, and we can discuss how we can partner together. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design, and my number is 678-661-5695. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.